Brussels has become a hotspot for street food enthusiasts, with exciting new developments shaping its culinary landscape. The food truck trail brings together around 20 food trucks, rotating through central city locations and serving up a variety of cuisines from Vietnamese and Peruvian to Ethiopian. StrEat Fest, scheduled for May 2025, will feature over 75 chefs and 150 workshops, celebrating global flavors and the joy of everyday eating. The Vegan Street Festival, held in September, highlights plant-based living with a wide selection of vegan vendors, eco-friendly brands, and live music. These events not only showcase Brussels' traditional Belgian specialties like crispy fries and shrimp croquettes, but also introduce visitors to a rich tapestry of international tastes. Together they reflect the city's cosmopolitan spirit and its commitment to culinary innovation. Brussels is home to a vibrant street food scene, with venues that showcase both local and international flavors. At Fish Tank in the Marolles neighborhood, you can enjoy seafood dishes made from ultra-fresh Belgian fish, including their highly recommended shrimp croquettes. For a true taste of Belgium, Friterie Saint-Josse serves hand-cut fries fried twice in ox fat, paired with homemade sauces for an authentic experience. If you're craving tacos, Gringo offers fresh tortillas, smashed papitas and guacamole, with options for halal and vegan diets. Looking ahead, the Rats Food Market is set to open in Ixelles, promising an immersive culinary experience inspired by Middle Eastern and Asian street scenes. The Brussels Food Festival, scheduled for September 2025, will feature dozens of food trucks offering a world tour of flavors, further highlighting the city's dynamic and diverse food culture.